Once upon a time, in the cheerful town of Sunnyvale, there lived a little girl named Lila. Lila loved three things more than anything: watching the stars, going on adventures, and stories that felt real enough to jump into. Every night, she would lay her head on her soft blue pillow and soar into the world of dreams. One rainy night, as lightning danced across the sky and the thunder roared like beating drums, Lila's mother gently held her in her lap and kissed her on the forehead with love. "Sleep well, my brave little explorer." And soon, Lila fell asleep. But this time, something felt different. Her pillow began to glow as if tiny stars were shining inside it. Suddenly, a soft golden light filled the whole room.
Wow.
"Good evening, Lila."
Who is speaking?
"I am your magic pillow. Tonight, I can take you into the world of your dreams, for real. Are you ready?"
Can we go to where the stars live? Hold on tight.
Suddenly, the room was filled with twinkling stars, and poof! She found herself sitting on her pillow, flying up toward the sky. Below her, the clouds looked like soft marshmallows, and above, the stars sparkled like diamonds. A gentle breeze whispered, "Welcome, Lila." She soared among the glowing planets and playful twinkling stars, laughing with delight. After a while, she landed on a small orange glowing star, where she met a little star named Starlet.
Hello! Are you here to learn the star song? The star song? The star song makes the stars shine. But someone has stolen the magic note, and now our light has grown dim.
They arrived at the Echo Cave, where shadows whispered. There, the magic note was trapped inside a dark cloud.
Only those with a pure heart can free the magic note.
I want to make the stars shine.
Lila stepped forward. She closed her eyes, thinking of her loved ones, her room, her stories, and her new friend Starlet. Her heart shone brightly, and the dark cloud vanished. The magic note floated gently into her hands, glowing with soft light. Starlet jumped for joy. "You did it!" Together, they placed the magic note back into the star song. Magical music spread across the sky, and every star shone brighter than ever before. A light of joy filled Lila's heart.
I will never forget this.
The magic pillow glowed, and she slowly returned to her bed. The next morning, sunlight filled the room, and the birds chirped with joy. Lila saw that she held a small, glowing star in her hands. She smiled. Was it real? Perhaps, but she knew the light of the stars shone in her heart. And every night, when the world was quiet and the moon appeared, Lila held her pillow close and whispered, "Are you ready for another adventure?" The pillow glowed, as if always saying yes.